Renovation and investment, turning apartments into assets. Buying underperforming apartment buildings and converting them into higher-end rentals can be a lucrative investment strategy for several reasons. First, it allows you to capitalize on potential appreciation as the property's value increases post-renovation. Second, upgrading the units attracts tenants willing to pay higher rents, enhancing cash flow. Additionally, improvements can lead to operational efficiencies, reducing maintenance costs and vacancy rates. Leveraging financing options for the purchase and renovations can amplify returns, as you're using other people's money to enhance the property. Furthermore, the demand for quality rentals often remains steady, providing a stable income stream. Ultimately, the strategy combines value creation through renovations, increased rental income, and strategic financing, making it a compelling approach for wealth building in the real estate market. Curious to delve deeper into the world of revitalizing apartment spaces? Join the conversation in the comments or reach out at info@atalagroup.com. Your next wealth building venture might be just a conversation away.